Narasimhanavaras. Today we are going to learn about the very beautiful joint family Narasimhanavaras. Okay, students. So this is the third part of our chapter, A Daughter's Love. We know that joint family is quite common in India, where parents, siblings, cousins, aunts, and uncle live under the same roof. One such a family lives in Lokar, a village situated 20 km from Dharwad, a district in Karnataka. They are known as Narasimhanavaras, who used to live together from past 150 years in this such a big mansion. Okay, they used to live in this big mansion. Bhimana Jinappa Narasimhavara is the head of the family. This is the kitchen where they used to prepare their food. This family, spanning five generations, comprises about 180 members. This family has 180 members used to live together. They prepare their food together. In fact, you will feel so amazing that they used to prepare 1000 rotis, chapatis every day. Only the females can do it. They used to prepare them by own. This huge mansion has 22 rooms. This huge mansion has 22 rooms. In fact, they have a vast agricultural land which is divided by among seven brothers. Okay, the farming is their primary source of income. They used to do farming for their income. They used to grow their crops by their own so that they can prepare their food by their own. Few main members have taken up professions like engineering and medical, but you can see all these males basically mainly they are used to involved in the primary occupation, that is farming. Okay, the family all you can feel amazing that this family always sit for lunch and dinner together. In fact, they have fosters, means the orphan childrens who don't have their parents. They own them. They keep them together with themselves, and they used to treat them as their own child. They used to parent them, and they used to provide them all the needs they wanted for their growth. You will feel so amazed that they gives us a lesson of togetherness and unity to us. They believe that their strength lies in living and working together. They prepare food together, they live together, they do works together, they care for their lands and property together. In fact, in 1992, Ketan Mehta, one of a very good producer or director, has prepared a documentary film called All in the Family on this family. This is a joint family, okay? And one of a very known photographer, K. Venkatesh, held an exhibitions on the various aspects of Narasimhavara's family in 2007. So, students, you must learn from this joint family and you must respect all the families that used to live together. I hope you like this video. You must enjoy this topic.